Hi, I'm going to introduce how I make my first personal website. Since it's my personal website, my strategy of making this is to use this website to let people know more about me and adjust my abilities in design, as well as people who see my works may want to contact with me and provide me with more opportunities or other stuff. So the core content requirements that I have is first, I need to have ways to show my work. And second is that I want to incorporate the contact information about me. And third is to link the website to other social media platforms and also know some fun facts about me. And also, I can collect the viewers' opinions about my work if possible. So then, based on my scope, I structured my website in four large containers. The first one is the intro part, the navigation bar, which has all the branches that I have in my website. And the second ones are the works that are shown on the first page. So people, if they want to know more about those works, they can just right click the name in order to view the page. And third is the skills that I have. And fourth is if they want to contact with me, they can leave their contact information. So how I achieve this different interface. So first of all, I have my title encoded with in H1 under the title. So I have also incorporated the Bootstrap to give it class of class center. So my website name gonna shown in the center. And after that, I have an image that is my personal logo. So also I also added a element. So if people click this button, people can just go back to the front page of my website. And below the main page, the title, I have a so for the navigation bars over here, I have six elements that are horizontally listed. So I give it another container which has all the li elements, and I have four different elements and names. One is for home, one is for intro, one is for works, and for contact. Also, I added a button with the button default so people can click and like and support. Also, I linked some icons so people can click and go to my and other social platforms such as Facebook and Behance. Then the second container is about my works. So I listed three works and they're all with the class of row. So each row I put a name and introduction on the left side and the image on the right side or the opposite. So for the first one, I have a H4 hierarchy of the title and have a link with it so like people can click and go to the detail page. And below that is a paragraph of a basic description. And on the right side, I have an image with link as well so people can click and go to another page. And for the second one, it's the same. So you have another division, and for the another division, the only thing different is that I have the image on the left side and the name on the right side. So right now image responsive, but it's supposed to be like this. So yeah. And below that, you have another one, another works as well. So there are 3 works that I showed on my homepage. And below the second container, I have a third one which shows like some important like fun facts, but I call it skills. So the scale is also the same, has the same font size of um, the title of my work. And below that, I have some really interesting fun facts I listed and with the button, so people can click just to have more interact. So I have the different buttons that wrote in. The last one is the form that I left it, so people who want to leave a blank. So I also rendered in your left and right 2 columns, so like it's coordinate with the above sections. From the left side, I have an image input, and people can leave their image and their name and their comments. And at the end, I added a submit button so I can see their informations and their comments. So yeah, this is basically my website. So for CSS, the only thing I change is the link, the font color of the link. I change it to a darker purple. And the row, I add a pink background and a white border. Yeah, and then change the font family to Georgia for some part.